and I've been lonely and nights. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies.
Good evening. I'm out on my front porch tonight to give you your day 4 Advent 2022. Tonight I have friends coming over at 6, which is not too long from now, and we are going to make Southern Magnolia wreaths. I have all the ingredients on the table, which I'll take you in soon to see. What I did first is, and you've seen my tree before, I'm going to flip you around, is cut branches out of my Southern Magnolia, my giant, probably almost 100-year-old Southern Magnolia. And I laid them here on my porch. Now some have gone into the house. Here are the pods. I don't know if anybody is going to use a pod in their wreath or not, but there are some with pods. The fruit of a Southern Magnolia. I used these loppers, and they're really nice. They're about 36-inch long handles, so that I could reach up. I brought a step stool out, but in the end I didn't need it. So I've got my straw wreath form. I have a leaf, and what I'm going to do is take these pins and plunge it through the leaf, and then grab another leaf, put it next to that one. Probably I'm going to stagger a little bit and take another pin and plunge it through the leaf. And I'm going to work my way all the way around the wreath, tucking the ends in when I get to this end. Once I get to this end, I will tuck this in as I work my way around, or tuck the tip in this way. But we'll have a start and an end spot. And then once I get there, I will be ready to decorate, either with seed pods, birds, ribbon, whatever I choose.